Hey there, you wonderful human. I hope you are doing well. Myself Nini, and I welcome you back to the channel that is less of mine and more of us. In today's video, we are going to talk about 7 things that everyone must work on in their 20s. These 7 practices will help you to navigate your 20s energy in the right direction and become a completely unrecognizable human. After all, 20s are the best time to work and build ourselves. So without any delay, let's get started. To start with, point number 1 is learn a high income skill. While in your college or preparing for any competitive exam, learn a high income skill. Put in those extra efforts and build an asset for yourself. You may or may not get that job. You may or may not crack that exam. You may or may not have employment in future. But if you have worked on a particular skill and sharpen it over time, you will always have a weapon in your hands. Monetizing this skill can pay your college fees, can sponsor your parties and treats, and the most important one, it can also sponsor your passion and hobbies. Therefore, having one such skill is very important. There are several in-demand, high-paying skills in the market. Few of them are sales, copywriting, video editing, graphic designing, content writing, social media management, AI, prompt engineering, social media marketing, and so much more. Pick any one of these and start learning it. Initially, you don't have to invest in courses or anything like that. You can start with YouTube videos. These YouTube videos are gold mine of education, that too for absolutely free. Whichever skill you want to learn, go write it in the YouTube search bar and boom, you are presented with tons of high value content, that too for absolutely free. Start learning them. Point number 2 is take care of physical and mental health. This is very important aspect of our life. Exercise regularly. Actually, exercise every day. Go to the gym or do it at home. Just do it. Put in some energy to your physical health to live a stress-free and healthy life. For your mental health, set healthy boundaries around yourself and stay away from people who make you question and doubt yourself. Point number 3 is practice mindfulness. Practice living in the moment, living in the now, and not in your head. Be aware of what you are saying, what you are doing right now. Every day for 5 to 10 minutes, sit and try to focus on one particular thing. It could be anything, your breathing, a particular sound, or a flame of a candle or diya, whatever. The main idea is to sit and focus on one particular thing. Remember, meditation is not about controlling our thoughts and thinking. It is about bringing our focus back to that one particular thing every time we get distracted. Practice this for 30 to 50 days without missing a day, and you will start to see lots of benefits of it. Point number 4 is be aware of your consumption. The food you consume, the drink you consume, the content you consume has huge impact on your personality, your appearance, your physical health, your mental health, your thoughts, your beliefs, and so much more. These 3 consumptions play a huge role in shaping you. So be very careful about them. Make changes wherever necessary and be very much mindful about what you eat, what you drink, and what you see. Point number 5 is network and connect with those who uplift you. While in college, network with like-minded individuals. Attend networking workshops, events, seminars, participate in extracurricular activities. These like-minded individuals will not only uplift you and support you in growing in your life and becoming a better human, but these individuals will also make your life a lot more easier. Point number 6 is seek experiences. The best part about college is that it exposes you to numerous once-in-a-lifetime experiences. It gives you several opportunities to explore yourself, challenge yourself, and become the best you can. Organize fests, participate in extracurricular activities, volunteer social causes, and so much more. Remember, never in your life again you're going to have your college days. Hence, make the most out of it. And the final one, point number 7, make money online. This should be yet another very important focus areas of yours. Today, there are abundant of opportunities for everyone to make money online. All you need is a monetizable skill and the determination to put in some extra hours to it. There are tons of online earning opportunities, both good and bad. Choose the good ones for yourself and make some money out of it. This will teach you a lot about money and life. Earning early will give you proper time to make mistakes with your money and become wiser over time. So these were the 7 practices that everyone should must work on while in their 20s. Remember, the years of 20s are where our energy is at its peak and we get to do a lot of things that either make us or break us. 20s are the time to build businesses. This is the time to earn money. This is the time to introduce ourselves to the world of spirituality. This is the time to make friends for life. This is the time when getting distracted is super easy. This is the time when getting into a bad company is super easy. This is the time when we get to eat whatever we want. This is the best time to work on our physical health. This is the best time to live our life to its fullest. We get to choose what we want to do with our lives, and hence the responsibility is even bigger. Make your decisions and choices very wisely. And if you have any feedback or any question for me, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video on Tuesday at 5:15 p.m. sharp. Until then, worry less, live more.